Okay, so straight ahead is Sao Paulo's church. You can see it directly ahead. And right in this little alley is a pretty cool looking little thing. And we're going to be targeting that in a moment. And the name of the street is Pátio da Ameaça. Right there. So stay tuned. Hey, check out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. So actually what I just did is I was filming another street called St. Paul Street, and I had a pretty good interaction in here with this Black Lotus down at the end. And I kind of want to highlight their business a little bit. So I'm going to make, they're going to be in two videos. They're going to be this one focusing on this particular street. And I'll just capture a couple other little details of here as well. Looks like beef intestines, beef opal. That's also like a photogenic little shot. And so that one was down that way. So I'm going to put this in the video at the end, just so that you kind of have some context to it. I'm still going to capture that. Let's see if I can get in that shot as well. Can that? There, a little bit. Macau. Okay, so what I'm going to do is we're going to cut it, and then we're going to show that little patio right here. I'm going to go in. I haven't been in this patio in a while. This looks like a new business right here. Huh. That's kind of cool. Very cool. Got a nice little corner here. And I heard that there's going to be an Italian restaurant that's going to open up. It looks like maybe it's open now. I heard it was a pretty good chef as well. I heard it from another chef. Hello. Closed?
Yeah, it's open.
It's open. I'll just take a look and see. Is this Italian restaurant? Or a Chinese restaurant?
It's a Chinese Portuguese style restaurant, and like,
when did
we just opened like last week.
Last week? Oh, okay.
Have a seat, sir.
Oh, I remember that this was something was coming new. So
yeah.
So I just wanted to come by and see what
Coming
it was.
soon. We have also downstairs, like we're preparing and fixing everything, preparing our staff for Friday. We have event.
Oh, okay.
Mostly
Drinking,
we are
good
doing
drink.
the private event, like, and we open also for just this menu snacks.
Oh, okay.
Yay.
Pork chop buns.
Pork chop buns, black burger.
Oh, okay. Black Lotus. That sounds good.
And we're serving also like specialty cocktails.
Oh, cocktails. That sounds really good.
Yeah, with that tea infused and tea style cocktail. Yeah.
That sounds good. Black Lotus.
Yeah.
I'll definitely come back. I'll come back.
Sir,
I'll bring
you.
somebody with me. Thank you.
You're welcome, sir. Have a good day.
Thank you, you too. So there we go. Black Lotus is the name of that one. That's cool. Okay, and now we're gonna just kind of come out a little bit. And so this is our alley, and I'm gonna bring you out to the main street as well. Macau 2019. That's right before COVID. And then you have another painting of this guy as well. And then what we're gonna do next is we're just gonna kind of show you what's around here. So this little alley is right next to Sao Paulo ruins. So I give a little bit of context for you. The first bit of context is Sao Paulo ruins is right here. Right there. I don't know if you can see it very well in the lighting. Let me see if I can come around like that. But Sao Paulo Street kind of goes around like an L shape. So this little corner is near Sao Paulo ruins. Right up there, which I don't know if you can see very well, but anyways, this little corner alley was Pátio, was right down the hill, just slightly from that. Then you can kind of see the crowd. So that one is right here. And we got, basically we're kind of in this little Sao Paulo area, so the Pátio kind of is connected. So we're going to end it right around here somewhere. I'm actually gonna do another video in a moment where I'm gonna go up and I'm gonna all that cool stuff. I don't know if that's for me or not. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna just go down just a little bit, and we're on St. Paul Street, Sao Paulo, Rua de Sao Paulo. Lots of people everywhere. Okay, so anyways, there's a little patio at nighttime. The patio is right in there. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.